Our bite of the week comes from 13-year-old Ackeef Nugent, who is a resident of Coburn Gardens in St. Andrew. Ackeef, who has a homework program for children in the area, had a strong word for criminals. Here's our bite of the week.
This is my word to all the criminals and the warring fractions of this corporate era, not only in my community, but all above Jamaica, all around Jamaica. Please to put down the gun and allow our young youths to grow in peace so we can make Jamaica be the place to live, work, raise family, and do business. We are your next generation, teachers, doctors, lawyers, judges, all of those stuff. Please put down the gun. I am pleading to you guys.